part of this trolley are, this is the handle, this yellow part is the trash bag, this is the top shelf. Sa top shelf may dalawang part, left side and right side. Sa left side, dito nakalagay yung food and beverages, alcohol, and non-toxic alcohol. Then sa right side naman, dito nakalagay ang mga voucher, stationery, and amenities, and other supply. Now, dito sa second shelf, dito naman nakalagay ang face towel, bath towel, hand towel, and pillowcases. Then dito naman sa second shelf, first shelf, tapos dito second shelf. Sa second shelf, dito naman nakalagay yung curtains tsaka lines. Then, itong caddy. Sa caddy nakalagay ang all-purpose cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, glass cleaner, air freshener, wet towel, dry towel, and clean towel, then sponge, tsaka Scotch Brite, then bangles.
Okay, thank you. Sige, dyan mo na lang yan lagay. Okay na. Salamat.